In today's video, I will teach you how to place yourself in famous locations using AI. Let's get started. Ever dreamed of standing in front of the Eiffel Tower, walking through Times Square, or exploring the Colosseum, but haven't had a chance to travel? AI can make it happen. With just a few clicks, you can transform any photo to place yourself in iconic locations worldwide. To do this, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account, or sign up for free if you don't have one. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to open the image generation mode. Now click the plus icon again, and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Then choose the image that you want to edit from your computer. Make sure to use a photo with a clear subject and uncluttered background for the best results. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to do, and make sure to include the location, any outfit or pose changes, and specific details for realism. And here are some good prompt examples. And make sure to be very specific about the location and even accessories to make the result look natural. Then press enter to let the AI process your instructions. And wait a few seconds for the AI to create your new image. And don't worry if the first image isn't perfect, you can regenerate or tweak your prompt for best results. Fine-tuning small details helps your photo look more realistic and seamless. And once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click download to save it to your computer. And you can also click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some tips for beginners. With these steps, you can create stunning photos of yourself at famous locations worldwide, even from your living room. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.